Hello and welcome. My name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to discuss white hat SEO techniques that you need to avoid moving into 2020. These types of white hat SEO techniques are running rapid online, and in my personal and humble opinion, I urge you to stop using these white hat SEO techniques. Now, the types of SEO techniques that I'm speaking of, we will get into in a moment, but as you know, in the past, I have ran on numerous platforms having hundreds of clients and a small virtual team that I worked with to implement my strategies to help small businesses, medium-sized businesses succeed with SEO and social media marketing. In any case, over the course of time, I switched my thinking. I switched my business model to doing consulting and helping with very technical problems when people are stumped. Also, my main focus is doing JVs, which are joint ventures. With that being said, I come across numerous projects and numerous partners that want to build a partnership with me. Now, this is leading to the negative SEO attack by white hats that was implemented, and I'm going to cover that with this white hat SEO technique that needs to be avoided for 2020. So I just wanted to give a little bit of a backstory of exactly how this all came about. And one of our sites that was one of our best performing sites, this is my second best performing website that I have as a joint venture. It was a Google site. I was using rather gray hat techniques. Ranking to me is a competition. If I am generating leads and generating income and I beat you in the SERP, that doesn't. So let's just get into this. I just want to go ahead and show you. This was a site, a coupon site that we were running. I generally do not show my money sites because of things like this. And we cannot risk us losing our partnerships and losing earnings coming in. So we were running a coupon site for a website by the name of HostGator. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of HostGator. They are a hosting company. Now, but on average, we were getting about $100 a sign up. This was my second best performing website that we have. So I just want to let you know the scope of what we were splitting. Now, there's two of us. Now, we split our proceeds. So I just wanted to let you know the scope of income that we were earning. No, we're not getting rich. However, this is a significant amount of income for someone that is only working for themselves, has a family, a home. So they are directly impacting my life. So in any case, I want to go ahead and move on. Our site was disabled. And what's really sad is, and I go in and everything is gone. I look into my deleted sites, it's gone. It has literally been eradicated, and I have gone in and had this problem before. The amount of people that must have been mentioning this site must have been huge, because literally it has vanished. And it's really sad. So in any case, I'm able to appeal this. Luckily, it is still in the index. I'm assuming by the next cache, it will be removed. I wasn't even ranking that high, but we were able to generate numerous amounts of leads. So we were ranking on the first page, 5th. So I was the 5th ranking website here. It was a sites.google right here. And we were generating numerous leads. It has been taken down, but I wanted to go ahead and touch on this negative SEO attack, this white hat SEO technique. If you're in working, right, you're ranking, and your competition beats you, I urge you, for the future, for you new SEOs out there, telling on another SEO that is beating you for any type of practice that they're doing. This is a competition. How someone earns and how someone ranks and how somebody provides is on them. If you want to go the route and you want to succeed your way, a negative SEO, penalizing websites and getting them taken down is not doing SEO. It is not proper. I don't want to get upset. I do not want to be negative. I just want to let anyone know that's watching this, reporting websites that you cannot beat because they are in a position is not proper SEO. If you've seen this, that's really the point I want to get across. This is a white hat SEO technique, a tactic that is being implemented on scale that needs to be eradicated from the face of the earth because it is hurting people's businesses. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions regarding SEO, digital marketing, Facebook ads, anything at all, please feel free to leave it in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay away from these tactics. Have a wonderful day.